must be a way of just like...
Maybe this is the key.
Oh, here we go, yeah, that's just...
Yes!
Oh, yes, we got into it.
Genius. Breakthrough.
Right, so then this...
That's just a ribbon.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Something
So
has detached.
that is literally just ribbon.
Literally. That was no
How are
lie.
you filming this?
This is now just a ribbon. Where's the ink?
This is such a mystery.
Why would it need a ribbon? It's not a present. Well, it is.
It is.
It's actually very suitable. I think it just needs new ribbon.
Do you think it used to
Maybe
be ink?
Well, no, because this
Ink.
isn't even like remotely... You think it would still have something.
Some residue.
Oh, so maybe that's like an old...
Oh, that's exciting. No idea why.
What'd that do?
Don't know.
Who knows?
Hang on, so then what's this central band? Oh, right, that's just something I moved. I'm just making this more difficult.
What's this central band? Oh, I picked it up. I moved it there.
Okay, I'm
It's my
going.
own
Bye.
fault.
See you guys.
Let's see. Okay, I think,
I don't
It
think you put that
definitely
back
needs-
right. Have you put it back at all?
yeah.
That's not right.
That's not right. That shouldn't be on that side of the thing. I'm an expert typewriter man.
So yeah, I think probably need some form of ink.
Is that what we've
Do you think?
spent that time working out?
I think so.
Typewriting 101 with Max Johnson.
Is that? Yeah. Yeah, you can stop filming.
No, I'm intrigued to see if we can figure it out.
Okay, well why don't we Google?
Use Google. That is the answer.
These definitely.
What have you written? Nothing.
Wow!
News in from the Prussian front.
Ping! Oh, wait, when does it make a
Wait,
noise?
this is exciting.
You know, in the films it makes that like
Yeah, it does,
ringing
yeah.
noise. Do it.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, yes.
How exciting is
Yours.
that? Oh, wait.
Where's the bell?
It's here.
Oh, wow.
Is it? Yeah. Nice. You
That's
solved the bell
Nice.
mechanism. For whom the bell tolls.
Max. Tools for me.
For whom the bell tolls.
By Max Johnson.
By Andy Tony. My beard isn't quite.
Did we figure out if that was an eraser?
Oh yeah, where does this pop go?
I think we can't work out if it's an eraser. We
Well,
can't
whatever the
write.
backspace is, surely plays a part.
I don't think that's
Well,
a
no, backspace
backspace.
is just a cross.
It doesn't
It
exist.
doesn't exist.
Well, you just
How could
cross. Yeah.
You can delete a printed.
Yeah, all right. Well,
Letter.
then what's this? Oh, it's a rubber.
Yeah, but
Oh, it's an ink rubber.
it probably is.
It probably is not.
Do you not think it is?
No, because you just do an X over stuff, don't you?
Who knows?
You do.
Ernest Hemingway knows.
But this does say Faber,
Which
is the French for-
obviously means rubber.
Yeah.
I don't think it means rubber.
Could be remember.
Isn't Faber? Oh, maybe it's just a name.
Just be its name.
Have you given up?
I'm giving up.
Should we go back to the trusty MacBook?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the end of the typewriting tutorial.
Looks good though.
It looks impressive.